Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to add Audible Narration to your Kindle book. This fantastic feature, known as WhisperSync for voice, lets you switch seamlessly between reading and listening. Imagine continuing your story whether you are driving or relaxing at home. It truly enhances your reading experience, making your favorite books more accessible than ever before, across multiple devices. First, check if your Kindle book supports this feature. Navigate to the book's product page on Amazon, either on the website or through your device. Look for the Add Audible Narration option, often displayed prominently near the Buy button. It will typically indicate if a narration is available and if it is part of the WhisperSync for voice program. This simple check ensures compatibility before you proceed. Once confirmed, you can easily purchase the accompanying Audible narration. If you already own the Kindle book, you will often see a significantly discounted price, sometimes as much as 75% off the standalone audiobook cost. Simply click to add it to your Audible library. The purchase process is quick and straightforward, integrating directly with your Amazon account for convenience. With the narration purchased, open your Kindle book on a compatible device, such as a Kindle Fire tablet or the Kindle app on your smartphone or tablet. The audio player will appear, allowing you to synchronize your current reading position with the audio. You can then effortlessly switch between reading the text and listening to the professional narrator, picking up right where you left off every single time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.